Starting around 13 September 2023, a specially spell kind of token by and large is exchanging at $0.00045537 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54% in especially most recent 60 minutes. Spell essentially has a genuinely all-out market cap of $48,909,482, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,201,143, or so they in every practical sense thought. This fundamentally makes basically Spell certainly token, Spell, exceptionally positioning at 370 in the digital money market amazingly. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Spell truly token cost expectation end of 2023, what will in every practical sense, Spell genuinely token, sort of be especially worth in 2023, or so they generally thought. Is essentially Spell truly token a very wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will really Spell value sort of outperform its untouched high, which fundamentally is very critical? These in every practical sense are fundamentally Spell truly token cost expectations for Spell's future in a truly significant manner. Spell sort of token, Spell value expectation 2023. As per the Spell pretty symbolic estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Spell cost in a real sense is supposed to really cross a sort of normal value level of $0.00056821, the normal least value worth of especially Spell, exceptionally token toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to be $0.00054935 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides sort of Spell can arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $0.00059828, incredibly. Spell kind of token, Spell, value gauge August 2023, the Spell sort of token, Spell, cost for August 2023. May sort of arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $0.00045274, while the really most extreme determined cost especially is around $0.00050934, which in a real sense is very huge. The typical cost for in a real sense Spell really is basically anticipated to generally reach $0.00049519 in August 2023. Spell value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of explicitly Spell exceptionally token for the most part is determined to sort of be at around an extremely least worth of $0.00049142, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Spell pretty symbolic value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at an all things considered limit of $0.00052914, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.00051500 in United States dollars, or so they in every practical sense thought. Spell especially token, Spell, value gauge October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of especially Spell, most certainly token really is basically anticipated to arrive at an extremely normal cost of $0.00053045, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0.00054974 and a truly least of $0.00051158, or so they in every practical sense thought. Spell essentially token, Spell, value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, truly Spell sort of token cost in every practical sense is gauged to truly arrive at an all things considered least cost of $0.00052749, which generally is very critical. The Spell cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $0.00057096, with the truly normal expected cost around $0.00054636 in a quite enormous manner. Spell sort of token, Spell, value gauge December 2023, the Spell pretty token, Spell, cost for December 2023. May fundamentally arrive at a really least worth of $0.00054935, while the sort of greatest estimated cost for the most part is around $0.00059828, or so they in every practical sense thought. The genuinely normal cost for sort of spell really is especially anticipated to reach $0.0005681 in December 2023, in an exceptionally enormous way. Spell in every practical sense, token truly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto, all things considered, has been basically diminished by 0.84% in its ongoing worth, especially further appearance how starting around 13 September 2023. Basically spell really token especially, is exchanging at $0.000455537 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54%, in sort of most recent 60 minutes in opposition to prevalent thinking. Assuming we especially think about the fundamentally current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap especially is additionally down, which truly is very huge. Spell certainly token sort of is confronting and in every practical sense, difficult time jumping aboard with in every practical sense, other crypto coins, which for the most part, shows that by and large is spell all things considered, token a sort of wise speculation, or essentially worth purchasing in 2023, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The spell certainly is down to nearly 2.49% in the very most recent 7 days, showing how explicitly is in a real sense spell pretty token, an excellent venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2023. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for in every practical sense, past sort of couple of days. The coin could generally have serious areas of strength for certainly yet. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in genuinely present moment, or so they basically thought. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of certainly spell for the most part diminished by 42.605%, killing an incredible especially normal amount of $0.000333803 from its kind of current worth in a by and large significant manner. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a great basically purchase a valuable open door for speedy venture. Showing how these certainly are generally spell essentially token cost expectations for spell's future, which explicitly is very huge. The 90 days cost change generally is near 38.21%, and the cost for the most part coursed from a certainly least sort of typical cost of $0.0006842 to pretty greatest kind of normal cost of $0.000744480 in the genuinely beyond 90 days. Showing that this unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be an especially decent essentially purchase an open door for genuinely speedy speculation, exhibiting how these especially are particularly spell, especially token cost expectations for spell's future, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell genuinely token in every practical sense is somewhere near 16.86%. With the sort of most extreme genuinely normal cost of the coin, essentially was